The explosion of Omicron cases in this country. It is now the dominant strain, less than 3 weeks after it was first detected here. And get this is what we know right now. 1 week ago, Omicron accounted for just 3% of cases. Now, a stunning 73% of cases. The first reported death now from Omicron in the country, a Houston man with underlying conditions who was not vaccinated.
And with long lines for testing nationwide, this is the scene at a testing facility in Southern California. Americans flooding those sites before Christmas to find out if they're infected.
And President Biden is set to make a major announcement this afternoon about dealing with the COVID surge, from testing to helping overwhelmed hospitals. Our chief White House correspondent Cecilia Vega starts us off with the new details right now, and there are a lot of them. Good morning, Cecilia.
There are, Amy, good morning to you. And when the president delivers that speech here this afternoon, we are told by officials that he is not going to mince words with Omicron. You know this, health officials are bracing for this surge in cases, even vaccinated people they are talking about, though they are expected to experience mild to no symptoms. But for the unvaccinated, the president's message is going to be dire. Act now.
Today, President Biden set to lay out in stark terms what's at stake as the Omicron variant sweeps the nation. Get vaccinated and boosted now, or be prepared for the worst. A White House official says the president will announce drastic new steps to fight the surge. 1,000 military medical personnel deployed to help overburdened hospitals. That's nearly a 5-fold increase to the military doctors, nurses, and paramedics already pitching in. FEMA called in to set up hospital overflow sites, distribute supplies like ventilators, and deploy ambulances to transport patients from crowded facilities to those with open beds. New federal testing and vaccination sites starting in New York City, where in some spots testing lines stretch down the street and people wait for hours. And the president will also announce free at-home rapid tests for any American who requests one. The White House procuring 500 million tests, promising that come January, anyone who requests one through a website will get one in the mail. So what will the president's announcement not include?
Should Americans expect any new restrictions?
This is not a speech about locking the country down. This is a speech outlining and being direct and clear with the American people about the benefits of being vaccinated, the steps we're going to take to increase access and to increase testing, and the risks posed to unvaccinated individuals.
Now, for so many of us who might be worried about traveling right now, given Omicron, the president is expected to say today, if you were vaccinated and you were following all of these proper protocols, Amy, like wearing masks, you should feel comfortable carrying on with your celebrations and your travel as planned.
And speaking of the president, Cecilia, a White House staffer who had contact with him has now tested positive for COVID. So what's next?
Yeah, so the test came in positive yesterday. The staffer was on Air Force One with the president on Friday. President Biden has tested negative since then, but because the president is vaccinated, the CDC rules say he doesn't have to quarantine. So, Amy, he's carrying on with business as usual.
All right, Cecilia Vega for us at the White House. Thank you, Cecilia.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.